You always hear people talk about, hey, they have a really good burger, or this place has a good burger. But we're at a place that has the best burger. I'm with Chef Christopher Collins from the Collins Brothers Chophouse. And my friend, you once again outdid yourself.
Well, thank you, Suzanne, and welcome to Chophouse. I'm so happy. I love having you in my restaurants, in my kitchen.
I
it's
love
so
being
much fun.
here.
But yeah, burgers, right? Like, it's kind of the benchmark. When you go to a restaurant, if they can't execute a burger great,
So agree.
what are the chances that everything else is going to be great,
Yeah,
right?
no.
And we take this to heart. So at Collins Brothers Chophouse, not only do we have one, but two, but three. Three of what I think are some of the best burgers in the Valley.
And what I love is you only have three. You go to some places and they have a million burgers, and I always wonder, how do you make each burger special and delicious? I love that you kept it to three and you perfected the three.
Yep, we have the three. So like here we have our Chophouse burger, and that's Havarti cheese with caramelized onions, lettuce, vine tomatoes, little salt, pepper. So this would be like the more traditional side of the burger. And then we're kind of going hickory barbecue style, right?
Is that Canadian bacon?
That is Canadian bacon with hickory sauce. And like my favorite part is the shredded, cold, sharp cheddar cheese. And when you bite into it, it just, like, the combinations of flavor coming in on this burger are just outrageous. And we give you a little side of hickory sauce for a little extra Dunkin', right?
Yes.
And then we have, like, I made up this burger at Collins Small Batch Kitchen, which I know you've been to, and I brought it over to Collins Brothers Chophouse because someone asked me one day, Christopher, if you had one meal left on the planet, what would it be? And my response was a Coke, French fries, and a burger. And then I kind of think, I'm like, well, what burger, right? Because it can't just be a burger. So I designed
You're gonna go home
my
and
last meal burger. So blue cheese, Pomeranian mustard, bacon, dressed coleslaw, ripe red onion, like this burger. Every time I had it,
has you saying hallelujah.
oh my God, it's like eyes in the back of my head. And like, I got to give a little shout out to my boy Jason at Noble Bread. He does all of our burger buns. These are called Bud buns. It's just a really rich, buttery bun that just toasts up beautifully. Like 3 burgers.
But let me ask you, they all look delicious. What is it though that puts them over the top? Is it the kind of meat that you do?
It is.
You use?
It is the 80-20, 100% ground chuck. It is the bread. It is the quality of the cheeses. It's the quality of our produce. Like, it's all of those factors, because you miss one of those, you get a cheap cheese, you get the wrong bun, you get some wilted lettuce or like an unripe tomato, and the whole thing is over.
Ruined.
It's over before it even got to your table. I'm like, but that's our job and that's our passion. And like every time these burgers go out, I'm like, look, at Collins Brothers Chophouse, we have a huge menu. You can get a lot of things, prime rib, halibut, all these beautiful dishes, but like, how great is it that you can go to one of these beautiful restaurants and like feel good about ordering a burger on a Friday night? I love that people think of us like that.
And not only your burgers, I love the sides that you choose to accompany the burgers. I mean, from the French fries
But
to
really
the,
cool French fries,
yeah,
the shattered fries, right? They're almost like little scoopers.
Yes, to the onion rings, to the coleslaw. I mean, you're right. Every detail, nothing is overlooked.
Ever. No, 100%. And like, we're just so proud of these burgers. And I want one day to like get an award like, yeah, you have a Chophouse, you also have like the best burger in Scottsdale. And then I'm like, yeah, all you burger joints, like I got you.
Well, I've had your burgers before, and you just earned that award.
Thank you. Oh, I made it. I made it.
Yay!